Hey, today na foursome I go do. Foursome. Foursome.
So all these paraga where you go to drink.
I don't dey drink bitter. My mouth don't dey bitter. Come on.
Okay,
may this person do come out to. May this person do come out to.
You and
I speak.
Wait now.
Which one do it? No be me call you say no come here.
Where the rush go?
No,
where you the rush go?
I won't go do something where you won't go do. Which one be say where you the rush go?
Bishop.
No problem.
Be careful. Be careful. I don't say no get respect. You no get respect.
No get respect.
No get respect.
Me and you will come. I will follow you. See as you dey drag. Okay, so we go one.
Wait, you know what will happen here? You know so one I'm missing you.
Yes. No problem. Go.
Make I go first.
You shut up. No be money we go give you. See as e be like something where they produce on truth or there.
Make I go first. Make I go first. I'm missing you. Make I go first.
Go first. Hey. You are well. My man don't marry you. Hey, they can first the jump right now. You get another style. This style will be okay. Man is
God have mercy upon us.
Come outside, I beg. I said the job like if you do 10 hours, 2 minutes. I beg.
You don't do finish.
Okay, let me be honest with you. No need to go here.
What's happened?
No, you have been my very good friend.
Yes.
And I've never lied to you before.
Yes, actually.
I swear to God, I've never lied to you.
Well, hey, what's happened?
No need to enter this place.
What's happened?
Okay, then this girl no sweet.
She no sweet.
She no sweet. Welcome one. She no sweet. Even my wife waiting for her sweet pasta.
Your wife sweet pasta. You know say you don't do your own. Allow me to do my confirm.
I want to this way. It's you do.
No problem.
You regret them.
I know. I don't like regretting things.
My wife.
You don't finish the time you say yeah.
This is no sweet. Now this young man won't go. Let go now. No, God do finish. You go come here, come and confirm what I tell you. Nonsense.
God have mercy upon us.
You can come, we go. Come, we go.
Okay. What did I tell you?
Chief, I beg, Chief. Okay. See, I for listen to you. See, I don't go there, go waste my money.
I don't tell you.
You can know.
I told you. I went there and I saw that this girl knows me. And I told you.
You know what they call sweet? This girl don't have that.
You wanted to jump off now.
I don't go waste my money. I swear, true to God, your wife sweet person.
Yes, now. Okay, they say. Okay, they don't say my wife sweet person.
I say you say your wife sweet.
My wife sweet person.
So you don't say your wife sweet person.
I say you say.
No, I say. So you know say my wife sweet person. Okay,
you say. Now you say.
Okay, they my wife.
No, I say now you don't say. Okay, now your wife.
My wife sweet person, Abi.
Thanks for watching this funny comedy. Please, as you don't watch, like and share. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you on the next video.